How to make broccoli soup at home. Now, don't just turn away because it's green. This tastes phenomenal. You're going to use a whole head of broccoli and you're going to use the stalk. It's got so much taste. What you're going to need is a saucepan and pop in around 1 tablespoon of olive oil and then around about a tablespoon of butter or a slice of butter. You want to melt that down, and once it's melted down, you're going to add in 1 large onion that's been chopped. Saute that down for around about 5 to 6 minutes and add in 2 garlic cloves that have been crushed. Again, cook round for a few moments and then 1 medium potato that's been peeled and diced. And you're going to add in those broccoli stalk pieces. I've just chopped them up a little bit, and then of course the broccoli florets. You're going to add in 1 litre of good quality vegetable stock. And then you'll need to pop a lid on for around about 25 minutes until everything's softened. Then you blend it up until it is nice and smooth. And some nice finishing touches. Check for seasoning. I like to add some pepper. The salt was fine. And a good pinch of nutmeg too. Mix that in, and then what you need to do, if you want, is to add in some double cream. I'm using about 100 millilitres. Bring this gently back up to heat again because you don't want it splitting. Oh, look, I've just added a bit more cream and of course some croutons. And if you want the full written recipe, you know where to go. It's my website, cookingwithemily.co.uk.